What's up, Empower Series family? My name is Clifton Johnson. I'm the founder of the Empower Series Incorporated, which is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We're brought to you by the generous donations of Comerica Bank, AE Media Group, and you, our viewers in the United States and around the world. You're on YouTube right now, so take this time and like us. Definitely share us. Don't keep us a secret. Hit the subscribe button. While you're hitting the subscribe button, go ahead and punch the notification button so you'll be notified the next time we upload videos. You can check us out on our website, which is www.empowerseries.com. There you can find out more about what we're about, look at our previous programs, and if you choose to, you can hit the button in the top left-hand corner and hit donate. If you make a donation, we greatly appreciate that. In the month of July, it's all about physical fitness. So if you're new to the Empower Series family, or if you've been around for a long time, you know that physical fitness is not just a monthly thing, it's a daily thing. Our guest today is a yoga instructor and a personal trainer. She's a previous Empower Series speaker. Kendra Nathan is going to take us through a series of exercises that anybody can do. If you've got bad knees like me, you can do this. If you can sit down in a chair, you can do this. And in fact, pause right now. I'm about to go get a chair. I'm going to sit down and we're going to talk about what we're going to do. So pause right now and I'll be right back. Okay, you're back. Do you have your chair? I'm sitting in my chair now. What we're going to do is we're going to watch Kendra take us through a series of exercises. There's going to be the name of the exercise, and then we're simply going to watch and model her actions. And it's going to be seated, low impact. Like I said before, if you've got bad knees, bad joints, you should be able to do this because I got bad knees, bad joints, and I'm doing it too. So we're just going to watch and follow, and that's going to be the first half. It's going to be seated. The second half, we're going to stand up. So are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Kendra, thank you. Are you guys winded? Remember to hydrate. And Kendra, I just want to say thank you for your dedication and pointing to the Empower Series community. I want to thank you for watching and doing this work. Thank AE Media Group, thank Comerica Bank. And I will tell you, this is not just a one-time thing. You should be coming back to this video, watching it over and over again, have a watch party, share it with your friends. And if we keep doing this, in a matter of time, you're gonna feel better and you're gonna look better. Remember to hydrate. And like I said before, do not keep this a secret. Thank you for watching our Empower Series YouTube video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit the subscribe button below, as well as the little button to be notified the next time we upload our video. Until then, stay connected with us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever your social media flavor is. Inspire the world to thrive. See you soon.